First of all, I'd like to welcome you all here to our 2010 customer conference, and we'll be looking at the latest versions of the three products there. Another famous 10 is Johnny Wilkinson, who actually won the World Cup.
For any of you ill, sick people who are sitting there thinking that I remind you of someone who is sometimes to be seen on a bicycle, who has possibly run over some of you on a bicycle, then you are wrong. There is no physical resemblance at all. There is a climate change constraint, and that is about a concentration of 350 or so parts per million of CO2 in the atmosphere, or 2 degrees of warming. And if you breach that, then things start to get ugly.
The important thing to note is that it is an interactive item. So you can play around with the data while you're in there and see what the effects are if you make changes to your portfolio.
But what it's now going to do is send an email to the accounts department. Simple example, but you can apply that to changes on anything.
So nobody ever wants to be ignored, and they want to be liked. That's all anybody wants in life and in business. And if that was it would be really easy to manage people. But it's slightly complicated by things people are sensitive about. Now, I've just written down what I'm sensitive about there.
We need to get the information in a format easily available so we can turn that into knowledge to help us run our businesses.
Financials. So we've got the elements of our project. In this case, we've got prime costs, we've got surveyor costs, we've got management costs, design costs, and we've defined when those costs are actually going to become applicable throughout the life cycle of the project.
We've also put it on the internet so that you can actually publish vision reports within the internet module as well.
We're changing this now to be a web service. What web service means is that it's a communication method from machine to machine. So it's basically web-based, XML-based normally.
From Qube 10.2, upgrading will not be a series of discrete tasks, but there'll be a wizard that will lead you through to the point where all the required updates are identified, and they'll be run from a single key press. And we also expect there'll be significant performance gains too.
I would say this, wouldn't I? But I don't think there is another product in the marketplace that comes anywhere near our three products.